Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the account and environment, live versus demo, exact server name, and your Mt5 build. Once done, log into the correct server using your login and password. Make sure the investor password isn't being used. Check that your terminal shows green connection status and no quotes gap. If indicators fail, restart Mt5 and your router. Keep account credentials visible, and note whether the broker restricts trade times so you don't proceed on the wrong assumptions. Next, inspect the account and platform settings to find the route. You should open the Market Watch and confirm the symbol is allowed for trading. Sometimes suffixes hide symbols. Then open the Trade tab and check margin level and open order limits. Go to Account History to spot closed trade restrictions and review leverage and permissions in the broker's dashboard. If you use an expert advisor, temporarily disable it to rule out automated blocking and ensure no global block on the instrument exists. Finally, execute a small market or limit order to confirm trading is enabled. Choose minimal size to minimize risk. If the trade still shows disabled, export the experts and journal logs, note exact error messages, and contact your broker with those logs and account details. Make sure to try an alternate server or re-enter your password. If necessary, reinstall Mt5 after backing up profiles. One key troubleshooting tip: if issues persist, ask the broker whether your account has a server-side.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.